بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. In the Islamic calendar, ayah 22nd Rabi Awal 1446. Christian calendar, ayah 25th September 2024. Michia Obia. Common Sense Family. Michia Munina. Michia Obia. Also sometimes ana videos be bramiye ya me ba ya me say Abraham Moshe do me ka say it's like niami ye nyina anase be ni ye nkremofo ye nyina anase be ya de sua ekosua nyina ne say ye ekosua ade say ya ba ebe challenge anase be ebe chere nsama obi aye twom da bi ye ko pe islam nimidie anya nimidie de soma Allah. Into through that nessa who say baby enkoyia anase be so wonya time won chechere bibi mu a na ma fantiasia na afi na was spending satam na wo chechere nsam anya se bia de bia ba david de bia anya se bia videos na Abraham ye no ye woni adwuma bia woni asan ba ka fa ba islam hu nimdia na se bia de sua wo say nsua won ye wodi islam na kasa wo ba won ye na Abraham be Moshe ano so hia ni nyina hia ya pese yen kle na sana ye tiesi islam na kasa anya se de nsa be bri ana se be adusua we bri awo islam wo so yensua na njane Abraham kampo entinde ya karato e be sua ana se ya disua no ekọ about in islam kakrape ana be ko Abraham so ana se be ya kakrape na be sua abeko Abraham Moshe so anasa biya Common Sense Family so do na ayasa about Islam ni nyina so ejina Quran chapter 5 verse number 5 onyankopo say nkramofuo ubetime awore Kristoni anasa biya Jew ni enya bone sa verse no ana pese nsama ya malanfo echirichiri mu say because Quran dey account Quran aka say betuma wore Kristo ni nkremoni ade ache Sunday na okọ na asore na wonso na woso munyame woso na ofre wonyame wonyere Kristo ni osum Kristo sum wonso nkremoni woso nkremosun enye bona o nkremosun. Now yanko verse ni Quran chapter 5 verse number 5 Yakobo say made lawful to you this day are tayyibat, all kind of halal lawful. Eduani ye di nyakopo say ni nyina aya halal anase bia eduani eye good Allah agie to mo say ye di sa eduani no which Allah has made lawful. Say near Allah can say a lawful like is allowed no. Ana mala na ebe chechere mo say meat of slaughtered, eatable animal, milk, product and fat, vegetable and fruits. Okay, ebino no. Anya say bia eduani bia na Allah pa che debi. Ebi na mala no ebo echere no. Ana was the food slaughtered like cattle, eatable animal of the people of the scripture, Jews and Christian. Eduania Christopher aye nkremoni betumi di mana ye anya haram. Ada say we Jew ni ana Christo ni betumi di ana nyakopo eka no ye to waso. It's lawful to you and yours is lawful to them. Wonso Christo ni awitie mi. Some dia mumpo de ka woni problem mo dia muni problem yeah na sometimes no ya say oh unyan kramoni se nti Allah say Christopher eduane aye halal mubetime di won kramoni mubetime di Christo na eduane Christo ni so wo so betime di nkramoni eduane na Allah eka no ye to aso lawful to you in marriage ahana mepeno lawful to you lawful to you no it's lawful to you and yours is lawful to them. Now lawful to you in marriage are chaste women from the believers and chaste women from those who were given the scripture, meaning nkremonia we you good or respect you obuadie or bono home by wanya basabasa nkremoni go tan ware san nkremoni no. The same goes to the same women in Christianity and also in Jewish religion. We are nkremoni obetu so aware Christian and a Jew ni and ada hono was it lawful to you in marriage. I had into bracket but ni na the same thing. Was it is lawful to you and yours is lawful to them. Okay, and I was saying chaste women from the believers. We nkremoni ba obetu aware no. And chaste women from those who were given the scripture. And a mala na what church tafsir we and I would into bracket Jews and Christians. Into nkremoni verse we chere say obetumi aware Christiani. And then yadison baby a kono no. We na wasaka de bia mala oba be chere mu chere na nya kakra wo kwa makanta ye chere wono be chere ni bra ni nsuya de bia oba Abraham Moshe akwana wa haya chente o sen so ye chere ni sima kara Hafiz Buhari NUT aidawa ayo mu da mu so mun jami na so mi ya kakra nse be ho me you say me nya contradiction me here the concept of God me here Abraham say Allah ana ayira no Allah ana ayira wono Abraham Moshe anya no correct eno so me here is the Quran the word of Allah eno so me here bibiri ho me here you bibiri ho me here o be me inshallah me but me mix no we me awuma na me about Islam na me about Abraham Moshe I was me here akwana wa haya che abaka Christopher ni nkremofo ka ya bomu ana was spy nye easy nti you say be yebi what Hafiz Buhari wa yahudi ewie wa ba yempo eye UTI dawa wo so wa yahudi mo ya de Sheikh Yusuf Tijani obia Ajafar munyina mo ya de nya kan aka media nkae na aka media na mi godu am ni aka no munjamami da munjamami oh but awye now you call into service we chere say according to Islam kremuni obetuna aware Christoni ana say Jewni ade achi sandia na okwa na asore won so na okwa masalachi according to this verse. So before and I what was ka there and I was say before your time chaste women from those who were given the scripture before your time. Okay, those who to so mala for e ka asem bi o say enye inde Christopher some na eka because was before your time meaning walazina min qablikum aw hasi al-yawma uhilla lakum at-tayyibatu wa ta'amul ladzina utul kitaba hillu lakum wa ta'amukum hillu lahum wal muhsanatu minal mu'minati wal muhsanatu minal ladzina utul kitaba min qablikum edikan fon omo idika mo book no which is Jews and Christian before you. Okay, I'm fine say up to now because I want to know a very long story. So, well, as I was saying before you. Before your time, when you have given their due mahar, bridal money given by the husband to his wife at the time of marriage. Ska oba ya friend asadaki. Ska utu esa ska na. Anase bia okwa ya na ho ade ya. Ska na wo so wuntua. Ana nyakopo eka no. Me main point na say Quran chapter 5 verse number 5 echere say nkramoni obetime aware Kristo ni, obetime aware Jew ni. Enye kinchana say one jai Christusum embedwane Islam sana aware no dabi. Ohala point no. Nti misere sama man nto sa nkenkan ya mo fa ncheme. Oho ena point ne ewo. Sen kremuni boton wada Kristo ni ana Jew ni. Enya law Islam an ka say ka kire oba na say one jai na embedwane nkremuso sana aware dabi. Islam an kasa. That is my main point. Now yenkotie nsama malanfo etirichirim because on korfo bebri both bebia me wo video bi wa ha video nso mbebo mo hwe ha video no Nigeria boy bi wo nkramoni omu no mu Nigeria omu Nigeria fo be ma no nkramoni na oba no se Kristo ni be ma no ka kire oba no se wan jai Kristo sun asana wono ware no oba no se wan jai o se wan jai ono se nya do be jai ono bebi o won eyema no be ma no se de be chinchina wan jai sana ono wan no ho ade nti pese ko tie mala nko mala ma se kwante Islam no anya chinchina dole se on jai nkremosum anase be Kristo so sana ware no samo Mr. Niban Yadi Kituebe Mufanchami. Sorry. Mufanchami. Now, ya kwashe sa video no. Now, yako.
Matansu kuma in har zaka aura babu sharadi akan ka ce mata sai ta musulunta. Ba irin yadda jahilai suke a Najeriya ba. Ka ganta zaka aure ta wadda kuma sai ka ce mata to wai sai ta musulunta. Babu wannan sharadin. Zaka aure ta ne a matsayin ta na me? Na ahlul kitabi. Ka zauna da ita. Wani abin sha'awa idan ka karanta littafin Askari sai ka ji mai littafin yana wani bayani ma dangane da musulmin da ke auren mace Kirista ko da Yahudiya. Ya ce yayin da ya zama musulmi bai halatta ya sadu da matar shi ba bayan ta gama jinin haila sai ta yi wanka. Ya ce to idan musulmi na auren Kirista ko ba Yahudiya to wanka ba wajibi ba ne a kanta na janaba. Amma wankan haila wajibi ne ta yi saboda shi mijin bai halatta ya sadu da ita ba sai tana da wankan haila. Allah ya sa kun fahimci me nake so in ci. A cikin maganar yanzu yana tabbatar da halaccin aurensu har ma sai ya alakanta wani abu na halaccin auren shine idan kana da mata Kirista idan ka sadu da ita ba dole sai ta wankan janaba ba, amma in ta gama haila sai ce dole sai ta wankan haila. Me yasa? Saboda bai halatta ka sadu da matarka ba bayan jinin haila ya dauke sai ta yi wanka. Kun ji wannan? Ga wata fatawar karanta ta cikin fiqh sunna babin jana'iza. Shi ko mai fiqh sunna yace idan kana da mace Kirista ko da Yahudiya idan ta mutu da ciki wato cikinka ta ɗauki ciki daga auren da kuke da shi sai ta mutu da ɗan a ciki sai ya ce ba za a rufe ta a makabartar kiristoci ba saboda ɗan da ke cikinta musulmi ne. Ya ce kuma ba za a rufe ta a makabartar musulmi ba saboda ita kuma kirista ce. sai a je a samu wani wuri daban sai a rufe ta, ba makabartar musulmi ba makabartar kirista ba. In aka zo rufe ta ya za a rufe ta, sai ce in aka tashi rufe ta sai a juya ta kalli yamma. Saboda ne? Saboda ɗa a ciki yana kallon gadon bayan uwar shi ne. Idan aka juya ta kalli yamma to kun ga shi kuma da ke kwance a cikinta yana kallon bayanta yana kallon gabas kenan. Ko kun fahimta jama'a? To kaga duk malamai suna ta tabbatar da wannan, so abu ne wanda in ka ce za ka kore shi za ka sha wahala, sai ka tabbatar da shi. Amma akwai wani mahazuri a ƙarƙashin shi sai a kauce wa mahazuri shi, saboda in kun aure su ga abin da yake faruwa, to ku je ku auri musulmi shikenan. Amma kada Allah ya ce al-yawma uhilla lakum at-tayyibat, ya ce a yau na halatta muku duk wani abu halal mai tsarki mai daɗi. Wa ta'amul ladhina utul kitaba hillun lakum, Allah ya ce abincin waɗanda aka baiwa littafi halal ne gare ku, ko da bai sake cewa hillun lakum ba fa, magana farko ta isa, amma sai sake karfafa ya ce hillun lakum. Malaman tafsiri suka ce abinci da ake cewa fa ba shinkafa su ba, dama shinkafa na halalci, ba doya da suka dafa ba, aka ce yankan da suka yi, abin da suka sa suka yanka, ma damar su za su yadda su ci, malamansu a addininsu sun yadda cewa wannan abin addininsu ya warje musu su ci, in ya kawo ya baka za ka iya ci. Magana cewa to ai ita kanta Christmas da suke yi bid'a ce, ba ta a cikin addininsu, duk wannan kanewa kanka ta'annutanci ne. In sun yanka sun baka, in kana so ka ci ka ci, in ba za ka ci ba ka ce ba za ka ci ba kawai, amma kakka ce haramun. Wannan yana daga cikin zangayi na rashin kwarewa a cikin ilimi. Allah maraukakin sarki ya kiyaye. Na'am. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Na'am. Haka za ka koya mata irin wankanmu na haila. Matarka musulma ya take wankan haila, sai ka koya wa matarka kirista haka za ta yi wankan haila. Kwarai da gaske, saboda kamar yadda za ka ji mai askari ya ce in ka je ka duba, za ka ji ya ce dama wankan za ta yi ne li zauji hal muslim, saboda mijinta musulmi. To kaga tun da za ta yi dan kai ne, to za ta yi irin na addinin ka ne. Na fata an gane. Waɗannan wasu 'yan ratse ne kawai na ɗan ratse fa na kawo mana misalai. Ire-iren waɗannan misalan a cikin fiqh ko wallahi tallahi suna nan da yawa. Idan ka je ka karanta littafin al-majmu'u sharhul muhazzab na al-imam an-nawawi, shi kan cewa malaman fiqhun shafi'iyya ma cewa suka yi ba ma wai kirista yanka bunsurin shi da kirsimeti ya baka ba, yace wannan kan ka ci abinka. Yace ranar sallah babba kai kanka kana da ragon layyanka baka iya yanka ba, ka kira shi yanka maka. Na fata an gane. Duk zangayi ne da rashin karatu, sai ka ji mutum yana cewa kin tsamushe. Duk zangayi ne, ba ka ci ka ja bakinka kai shiru kawai, kar ka ja wa kanka fitina. Fitina ba wai tsakaninka da su ba, tsakaninka da ubangiji.
Sai ya tiyan sama mala
sarki ya taimaka.
Ma riga ya albani zariya kayan.
To sai kuma ainihin
aya ta ko in fan karansi sanya yati. Na wase sawo wari kristoniya sai ya ka anasibe Quran chapter 5 verse number 5 e chere say nkremuni ubitin awar kristoni. To ana malan ka say nsama malan fo e chere mu say sawar sa kristoni na say obunin sa way for those who do not understand Hausa. An ka no but omamunta Hausa no. Sawo nkremuni na sawo war kristoniya na say obunin sa nsana wo buya gise wa dware ansana wona ne betama sha sese mo meda, but se wona na da wiya sa dware ya frana wankan janaba no eno enye force anase biya wan dware because wonye nkremoni wo be ma no oba dware wan kan yana ba because according to Islam se wono oba da ana wono wayere da a wose won dware adware kronkron ba ana me se woni kristoni ana Jew ni wonyen kramuni nti sa dware no enye nhye enye force wono so because wonyen kramuni ni sa dware no won dware wo be ma no wona ba dware sa dware wona ba dware sa wan kan yana ba no ana mala eka no ana mala saka sai nienti a wan kan jana ma won dware no ana maka no wonyen kramuni ba se obunu sa no oba ebunu sa according to Islam no ono ntemenda obu yensu a awose wan dware ansa ente dware no wo dware for you sana ba no ho be neat amao ente na se wan dware on wan dware sa dware ya no ana na eto si mienu in case wono no o ware no wa fanye se ana sibe wanyem no ana nyame mpangu ana oba no wuye sa jiu ni ana kristo ni ana wuye ana malan fo se untimi ko siesa oba we ewo kristofo amuseye ana sibe kristofo cemetery dabi sen case oba no wanyam na se wuwa se akwala na won yam akwala nti ye ko sie oba no ewo Christian cemetery at the same time baby no unborn child no akwala na yanya wono no akwala nti ye ko sie maame na owo nkramofo cemetery ana mala se gese ye pe baby a enye Christopher cemetery ana nkramofo cemetery different place ne ko sino ho ye be sie no so a ye be sie sa mami we openfo we ya ye be sie na edi ne nim ade e kire west o se ye sorry a bebe ye face no o ye east nti ye be sie mami we ya na edi ne nim e kire west na na chimmo e face baby a ye asore e face no which is east. I didn't tell man focus ana man for say because akwala bia wada na mame yem bia sa akwala no e face mame no nti se mame no echi e face east automatically akwala no enima na e face east no because according to Islam so bi wu na se nkramuni wu na se be sie na ya man nim e face bibia ya sore e face no which is east. Nti se ana me se akwala no ewo mame ni yem nti maame no echi ebe face east na nim en face west abana sa akwala na wada ne yem no akwala no be face nim be face east because akwala na eyen nkramoni upon all say ya enya wo sa akwala no ba we nkramoni. So that is the only thing ana mana focus nyanko ba say al yawma hillul lakum tayyibatu wa ta'amul lazina utul kitab sa samna ala kaya no it does not matter whether it is a rice ana bonku ana de say no podi nka yini problem Kristo ne eno aduani especially ummo ana se bia banku ana se bia betie na se wote bre nkramoni a obetime di ba bebi a yempe anase bi a ya kasa etie ne se eye bebi a mbo ya twom mena no oho na nkramofo ya kasa ya ana malaka se ala se sanduano no ada se eduani o ada se rice o ada se aponchi o se Kristo ni ene kusa aponchi na nkramoni obetime awe amana yeye Kristo ni eku odwan ana nantwie ana akoko na se wode yaduane na se wode brawo nkramoni a obetima awi amana yeye enya bone awo nkramusumu Abraham be moshe wunsuo nkramusum do bia wo se nkramusum ana se benyamusum ana se be religion edi empapamu division enya no kore wo se alusuna wontima wore tijania wontima enya no Kristo nimpo nkramoni obetumi awore Kristo ni ana jiwu ni ade achi sande ya okona asore woso kremu no so okama salachi obi a wonya kremu ni po yese betumi awore ma na yeye. What about obi a wonya kremu ni we say religion the division baye enye no kore se sia mitowe me ye wonjani se me go hu ayigbe ni na me che no asema set morning na ojiso anasi be hu me say assalamu alaikum at the moment me hu say we eye nkramoni ayigbe ni nkramoni no afi na ma forget bibia na yi bibia from adom because me no say me nkramoni on me yame hwe ntimi suro nu na ma sanya special order special trust special ahumabro ade amano because we nkramoni ta mi share no minim ba ta mbra me hu san a kire se we nkramoni no afi na ma nya special love be ade amano because we nkramoni on dwene adwene fi ana se bi adwene bone ma me da the same fantini nkramoni mi hunu koro o na mani yaji nya me kan yina se hu nya nkramoni a wonya special trust special love emano eche obi a wonya nkramoni esanati bakanya safe so no semi ko hye obi a we ayigbeni ana fantini ana asantini ana indieni a wonya nkramoni mi huna me che na matwun cause na just normal nchia ma at the moment we say we nkramoni na fe na wonya special trust wonemu yesi mi wagano enye nkramosuma anka chana ni anka mi dane yede chana ni odeme yede but at the moment we say nkramo chana ni we nkramoni America ana buruni we ana Jew ni ana sibia Jew na sibia Arab ni ana sibia Japanese ni ana Lebanese ni obi mu so we nkramoni bia na manya special trust ade man because of esominenti isi ya wadani minua automatically wadani minua at once mintimi yen bone wontimi yen bone. This time around did the Islam or religion bring us together or did religion divide us? Esi ya mi hu bi wa China ne so assalamu alaikum afina mako atu we minua. Esi ya religion a divide mene China ana mene China ni ana religion aka mene China na bomu wakaya bomu. Esi we yankrani na si mi hu na se we Kristo na morning no bi okwana me bi mata mba hu se we yankramuni no na manya special do e dia ma enti religion ambasa e ba che obi emu da bi nsa hu na ne wutenyi na ayaya na ekosa problem no ya na ekoso anya religion. You see, in the name of religion, many China ni, many India ni, ya pe mi huna me wadan minu at once. Japanese ni, Korea ni, fara mo say, obia Russia ni, obia we nkramoni bia the whole world mi hune pe wadan minu ya. Mintimi yana bone da, untimi yana bone da ma trust no so trust me. Anka religion emba yanka mi huna no bi okona baby because mi nim no won so nim mi whether yet waso enti malan say even wase wo hwe some ketekete we okọ Islam books mu an some malan for eka especially wase Shafi'iyya to say din we Malikiyya ana Shafi'iyya ana ana sabia Hanbaliyya ana Malikiyya Hanafiyya Malikiyya ana Shafi'iyya ana Hanbaliyya Hanafiyya Malikiyya Shafi'iyya ana Hanbaliyya sometimes we we nkramuni no betiasi o anu so nkramuni bi o obi a okwa makaranta ada mu se Malikiyya ana Hanafiyya ana Hanbaliyya ana Shafi'iyya ente mana say waso okọ Shafi'iyya books mu ana obo imana book ndi ana book ndi say okọ mu a mala fo say wase ivi say we nkramuni na say salad wato aponche wunya hugudro a butime okosa aponche no say hu kristoni a obeto okosa aponche na ma fama no onkosa aponche na on fondi wo sala Kristo ni ebeku upon chama ama we de sala ana mala sense nsama nkramo fun binu an kan a mistake wunim dia na wo se ay haram ana Kristo dabi Kristofo omoduane omomba ni nyina ay halal ade se Christmas so anya Christmas ana mala ay kan ay halal ala se ndinto akoma de wona di there's another hadith nana Aisha aka say wose wote wana korofobin kremofobi ban commissioning chen ana bisa commissioning ye nuanom eno eduane aya omotibe ebraye ana sa eduane no so nam womu nam no so eye anya nsu nam ayeku ya twa omena sana ya no ano sa sana se bia ponche akoko odwan nti o bisa commission se ye nuanom edi eduane braya sa eduane no ye nim ansa na ombeku sa mponche na ndwe no ombo ala de na ombo ala ndi nti omude braya wose yendi anani ko se mayendi eno commission ka se sallallahu alaihi wasallam ana o ka se mumbo ala di na mudi sa eduane no nyahwe na asama nkorofo no be bisa commission no omo se ye nuanom enye nkramofo because unya nkramu ni ade adoni brawa na ntwenam anase bia akokọ nam ubisa yede ba this time around ye nuanom chere say Kristofo Jewfo ani Kristofo omudi adoni braya omudi braya nkomisheni ye ni anam no omobo ala adi ansa na mocho momene ana omombo ene nkomisheni say omudi brama monji na monka bismillah no mundi nti chere say still commissioner stamp ni ala ka say al yawma uhillu lakum tayyibatu wa ta'amul lazina min qablikum wa ta'amul lazina utul kitaba na me pese ko share video we yen yan kramuni be wa Nigeria ana wa konya na girlfriend sisia o magele pressure se gelo on be jin nkramosuma ansana wa ware no o ma jin nkramosuma ansana wona awar gelo se dabi oni we kristoni wanjai kristusum ema ware nkramoni anase be wanjai kristusum ema ware wanjai kristusum ema dwani nkramosum because of our warranty boy so man pressure say wanjai me say video no mumubi ehun say video no ba because of history nti ye history e to say sana Abraham kaye even say wanya sikampo a opese ni chirimba no ba mo say yes akwa be esore ye pa eyeye wanya easy yeah so yeah the same videos no the same videos no ada ato amanchirima muso say yes nkramofo at that time no ama fa nche no now you go see video no brand no brand nkramoni ana na girlfriend Kristo ni ente wase wanjai Kristosum emba dwene nkramosum sana wa ware no nyasa de ya amajai ana mana ka se bia nkramofo ma bon munnim ndie wunnim Islam se ware no Sunday on kona sore anana mi da on kona sore na so nkramosum wo se wanja no ba dwene nkramosum okonya Kristo ni se opesa ware na according to Islam men ka tell say there's no that condition. There is no that condition in Islam. Say Jack Kristo e ba dwene asana ma ware eni opa na ware no on pena so aja no ko pekramune na ware no e go sa video no. Let's go.
If you don't want to marry a Muslim, and if you don't want to become a Muslim, it's over.
It does not go to that.
Teresa,
bro.
Teresa,
bro.
It's over.
Don't let religion spoil you.
Bro.
Don't let religion spoil you.
It's over. No. Stop. Don't touch me, Teresa.
Teresa,
don't touch me. If you don't want to get married to a Muslim and you don't want to be converted, it's over. What's going on?
Bro, calm down, please. Calm down.
Don't tell me calm down. I don't even know you.
Please calm.
No, I don't even know you.
Okay, let me tell you
Why
about
would she
me.
bring somebody into my house?
Let me tell you about me.
Calm down, listen to me.
Will you stop telling me to calm down?
Please.
Is this how we're going to stay together?
Please.
Just a slight issues we have. and you're involving people into the relationship.
She's not trying to bring you out. I'm sorry, but
Excuse me, sir. With all due respect, I don't know you, and it's even getting me pissed right now.
okay.
I just listen to what he wants to say.
I have to be calm.
Yes.
Teresa,
Please listen.
this is not funny, you know.
This is your relationship we're talking about, and if this doesn't mean a lot to her, we would not be here. She called me to come and talk to you because you're trying to, or you are changing towards her because of one little argument that the both of you have, right?
Okay, since you want to get yourself involved, now here is the thing. I'm not forcing her to join Islam.
Okay.
But if she has to be with me, then she has to stop going to church.
Okay, first of all, I'm sorry. How long have you guys been dating?
A year plus.
A year plus. And you're a Muslim.
Yes, I am.
That's fine. And you're a Christian. Did you guys talk about your religion before dating or even to the point of proposing?
She knows I'm a Muslim.
Okay.
And she's okay with that fact.
Were you not okay with that one?
I mean, of course I wasn't going to get married to her in a church and then she had to join Muslim.
Okay, you come to our church to get married to her.
It's just a normal thing.
But you guys didn't talk about it.
No, we didn't talk about it because I
And
feel
you don't
it's
feel like
only
saying
but
now
normal.
waiting normal. Okay,
It's
now
normal.
you cannot get married to a Muslim.
Yes, definitely I can get married to a Muslim, but the issue is that
Can you please be audible? I cannot hear you.
yes, I can get married to a Muslim.
Okay.
Before the basis of this relationship, like I knew he was a Muslim and I told him I was a Christian.
Okay.
But I cannot give up my religion for anybody.
You cannot give up your religion for anybody.
Yes.
Okay.
The thing is,
We're talking about the same
thing
God,
is-
Teresa.
Okay, if you know we're talking about the same God, why do you want her to come to?
It's just a family background.
It's just the family background.
Yes, and I
See,
explained
if
this.
this is- listen,
my
wait till me at the
family
top,
background
listen,
is
listen.
also Christian. My
You
dad
know,
is
but
a
you
deacon.
know all this.
My dad
You
is
know
a
all
deacon.
this.
My
And
Your
you're
dad
fine
is
with
your
it.
dad is a
Yes, my
deacon.
dad is a deacon.
Now,
You won't
the problem. Listen, the problem. Now, I'm sorry, but the
Teresa,
problem
do you
now
really
from
want this relationship?
It has not got
Bro,
to that extent.
bro,
now.
please.
Calm down.
Why are you making this an issue?
bro. You go listen to me, please. What's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Ahmed, make I tell you something. This is becoming a problem because the both of you did not address it in the beginning. If you know say your religion a big thing for your life, that was supposed to be among the first thing where you going to talk about when you meet a partner, especially the one we know be your own religion. She have an idea how. Did you tell her?
She knows I'm a Muslim.
But you didn't tell her.
Yes, exactly.
You didn't tell her
me
about
when
who
I
is
convert.
converting
Did you
to.
just say exactly?
I will stop going to church. I can't stop
Okay.
going to church. Why?
You expect her
Why?
to. You expect her to
No, I
quit
can't.
going
For
to her
real, I
church
can't.
because
You
you're
just have
getting
to
married to her.
understand.
Okay, what about you? I'm
Please.
sorry. Listen, bro. I know you're angry.
You really don't know how angry I am right now.
Calm down.
Even the fact someone is even here trying to sort out this is even making me more angry.
Is
Teresa.
religion? How is religion a problem in this? Do you want religion to spoil your relationship with her?
That's only if she wants it to.
How?
Because she's
Can't
trying
she go to her
people
church
here.
and you go to your mosque?
No, it's unacceptable. Instead, she wouldn't go to church.
Instead, she won't go to church.
Fine, if you don't want to join Muslim, it's okay.
Okay, you're
But you
married.
will not go to
So
church.
you're
Are
trying
you-
to tell
no,
me that,
listen,
that all the
hold
time
on.
we spent together now it's been wasted because of this church.
You just want
Because
it to
of
be
this
that way.
church thing.
Are you married to her? No. Are you married?
We're almost getting married.
You're almost getting married. You just proposed to her only.
Yes.
So what do you want to do now?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't give up my religion for anybody.
You can't give up your religion for marriage.
Yes.
You can't give up your religion.
Nice.
You can't give up your religion for marriage.
Teresa, do you really want to do this?
The both of them.
It's
See,
on you.
no, listen.
It's on you.
We need to understand religion more than the way we know it. No, we really need to. It's not even about the religion, it's about you. If you love your religion so much, understand your religion and let everybody do their own. I understand you're getting married to her. She's your wife and you'll be the head. Let her serve her. I'm not saying, except say she won't go, they serve traditionalists. Now you're serving Allah and she's serving God. And they are both the same. We are serving only one God. Do you understand? You converting her or she converting you, I know they see him as a problem. Except you want to make it a problem.
She's the one being stubborn about this whole thing.
I'm not being stubborn.
Teresa,
This is just like
we're not having this.
boils
We're not
down
having
to
this conversation
understanding.
again.
You understand me? I understand
It's a very
you.
simple thing. You know I'm a Muslim, and automatically you know you're gonna turn into a Muslim.
I can't.
But I'm not forcing it on you.
Yes.
But you
When
will
we are
not go to
married, you
church in my
can go
house.
to your mosque. I can go to my church.
No,
That's
you
You
will
both
not
are
divide
not
my
even
family.
married right now. Listen, the both of you are not married right now. If it's not working, wait till I suppose don't talk since, we will not talk. But if it's not working, talk about it now and let's go. You cannot sacrifice
By
this. You
this
cannot.
time, let go. By
Babe,
this time, really.
But you're saying you cannot give up your religion,
No,
your
I
religion.
can't. I can't.
Then you don't want to let go also. So what do you want to do? Eh?
Yeah, I can't give up my religion. It's just my final. I can't.
And your dad is a deacon.
Deacon, yes.
So
He
did
won't
you
even
did you
agree.
tell your dad about
Even-
this?
Even me getting married to a Muslim is even angry compared to me.
Even you
converting.
getting married to a Muslim
Yes,
is
it's
even
not.
angry.
Yes, it's not really
Now,
in support. But
why-
I try to convince him and
But the both of
he
you,
accepted
Una-
based on my choices.
then convince him of being a Muslim. What are you saying?
Simple.
You convinced him of marrying a Muslim. Then convince him of being a Muslim because
My dad won't agree.
he won't agree.
Teresa, this is not
Yes.
funny.
Is it
Won't
about?
even
This is not funny.
This is not even
funny
about
at
religion.
all.
This is about the both of you.
See,
You love him.
anyhow, yes, I love him definitely. That is the I love him, but for my religion, no.
I feel it.
That's fine.
I feel like there's
But
more
that's
to.
You've
fine
always
now.
made me feel you like Islam.
I like Islam, but from a distance. You
Oh,
understand?
it's not from a distance.
I like Islam. I love you, but Islam is different. I like Islam, but from I can't practice it.
You cannot practice
I can't
it.
practice it.
Okay, what about if both of you start having children? Did you think about all this?
That's funny right now, but
Did you think about all
this
this?
is really a big issue. Right?
Did you people think about all this? I don't understand how you get into something and the thing don't go deep before you they think about what you supposed to think for beginning. What if you start having children
Do you know my mother was actually an Igbo woman when she married my dad?
and she converted?
Yes, and she's a Muslim now.
And it doesn't matter. You want to convert to you
That's
can
your
still
mom,
convert.
that's your mom.
If you understand
That's
that
your
very well,
mom,
you can
sorry.
convert to a Christian if you
That's
want.
your mom. But you can as well convert to your mom.
Teresa,
is
You want
Christian.
to convert
Your
to a
mom is
Christian.
You're doing this
Christian.
really? You're doing it now? Are you doing this
Your
now?
mom is a Christian. You can actually convert to.
Do you know you're
being a
actually
Christian.
disrespecting me? We're not
Bro,
even married yet,
bro.
and
I'm not
you're
disrespecting
dragging me
you.
outside, bringing a
Bro.
stranger into this discussion.
No, I am sorry. She's not trying to do all of that.
You
But
are
what
not
I'm
picking up my calls. Yeah, you.
Teresa,
hear
hold
it.
on.
Because I was mad at you.
Hold on. Religion not waiting supposed to break on a relationship. If you have a beautiful relationship, religion not supposed to break them. Why on earth religion will break your relationship?
It's not breaking it. I just
So
feel-
what are we saying? You want her to convert, she doesn't want to convert, and you want to let the relationship go.
My family would not be comfortable with this whole thing.
Then let her go. Get a Muslim sister from the mosque. If if I marry and I get
You know it's not as easy as this. You know it's not.
it's not as easy as
It's not
this.
easy.
So what do you people want to do?
I just think it's something we
What do you want to do?
could sit down and
Please
talk
come,
about.
let me see.
I don't know why she's shying away from all this.
I'm not shying away from it. If I was shying away, I won't even call him to invite you.
You called me just to come back because
Yes.
the religion means a lot to you.
Yes.
Now, aside the relationship, you're not thinking about his religion.
See, the only way to sort this
I feel like
out-
both of them get so many things we wanna not talk about from beginning. We wanna supposed to talk.
When we went to Mecca, you were happy. You made me feel you were okay with it.
You went to Mecca with her,
Yes, we did for holidays, and she made me feel she was okay.
and you no talk. You
And
even
that
went
was
to
why
Mecca.
I wasn't even thinking
Yes,
that
I
this would
did,
be an
sure.
issue.
Do you have someone else?
No, I don't have. I have only him. It's the only one I have. But please, it's something we can just talk about. Like I told you, you can be going to your mosque. I can be going to my church.
That's unacceptable. If you don't want to marry a Muslim, you And if you don't want to become a Muslim, it's over.
Does not go to that.
Teresa,
bro.
Let me beg you.
Teresa,
Bro,
it's over.
don't let religion
Leave my house
spoil your.
now. See,
Bro.
John.
Don't let
it's
religion spoil
it's
your.
over.
Calm down.
No. Stop. Don't touch me, Teresa.
Teresa,
Don't touch me. If you don't want to get married to a Muslim and you don't want to be converted, it's over.
Now, sana ne kaya no. Sana mi de kaya no say ya light no echo off prepaid echo off into my fan chemi. Then you share kwa video no. Mistake. We nkremoni na se ope Kristonia. Wuni mi say we Kristonia na da ana ko si ne pe. Wuni mi say we Kristonia na ko si ne pe. Afi wo so wan jan no madwene nkremosom. Even nkremosom e ma okwan say obaka say obi enjoy no som embe dwane wo dan sana ware no there be ntia brother no way mistake according to Islam open oba no ware no especially as far as we Christian nko ade ya ware no ya chinchina baka say wan jai Christian sum embe dwane nkrimo so sana ware no there be سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله باي باي